Hi, I'm Dan Robbins. I'm the principal of the Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center, or EC3 as everyone now knows it. So excited to be starting our 5th year here at EC3, continuing to provide opportunities for our students to explore career pathways. Tonight, our goal is to allow students and their parents, obviously, to come and to see their pathway, see their teachers, see the program that they're getting ready to spend either a trimester or maybe a full year in. Our ultimate goal for all of our students is to graduate high school with some type of level of industry certification and being prepared to walk out into the world and not just be college ready or career ready, but really to be life ready. And so we're so excited to give our kids the opportunity here. We continue to expand our programs, offering more and more for our students. So we're just excited that our kids are here.
I am Jocelyn Corbin. I am the only English teacher here at EC3. This is my 3rd year, but this is my 1st year working with the Early College Academy kids. So I am very excited to get started. We have 4 cohorts of students that are going to be going through the Early College program, starting off their junior year. And by the end of their senior year, they will be earning their associate's degree. I also teach English 4 here for students that are in any pathway can still earn their English credit while they're here. So it's a chance for seniors to stay here all day without having to go back to their home school. So it's a great opportunity for anyone who's taking CTE classes.
Hello, my name is Nick Funk. I am the new aerospace and engineering teacher here at EC3. This is my 11th year teaching high school. I'm very excited. I've never taught aviation before, so it's going to be a learning year for me and for the students. I look forward to the challenges ahead, and I'm just super thrilled to be here.
My name is Joe Grider, and I teach welding here at EC3. I've been welding since I was 15 years old, so I know exactly where these students are coming from because I started in the exact same place that they're starting. I've been doing this for about 40 years now, and I don't regret a day of it. If students come in and they work hard and they try hard, it's a pretty lucrative career for them. But you can't come in and drag your feet and be lazy. You've got to actually work at it. We start out with basic welding. That's for the very beginning students. That gives a student an opportunity to say, okay, yeah, maybe I like welding, or no, this isn't for me. After that, they can take the more advanced classes. Shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, cutting processes, blueprint reading. We try to cover all the major areas that our local industry is looking for. Whether it's local or maybe they want to travel with a big construction company. We try to cover all that. But if a student does that, they're going to have to get in when they're a sophomore and work hard all the way through to their senior year. If they do that, they can make a really good living. Most of the seniors go out of here that work hard. Their starting salary right out the door is between $18 and $22 an hour. So that's nothing to sneeze at for an 18-year-old kid.
Jason Nagel, Project Lead the Way instructor at the Early College Career Center. We teach engineering pathway to mostly juniors and seniors who have taken the Introduction to Engineering Design and Principles of Engineering at the 3 high schools. Coming here for specialized courses in digital electronics, computer integrated manufacturing, civil engineering and architecture, and engineering design and development. Along with the engineering pathway, I'm the VEX robotics coach for John, Central, and North, and we compete in international and national competitions.
Well, I'm Mary Dunn. I'm the media arts teacher here at EC3. Cinematography and video production is the official name of the program. I come from a news background, so I've been teaching a lot of news and how to put story packages together, how to look for stories, how to find stories. And this year, I'm going to be diving into the cinematography side of it, trying to bring that other element and genre into the classroom, encouraging script writing, encouraging short film, documentary type. We will continue to do news, because that is our daily, that's what's going on in the world. So basically just teaching kids how to find stories, how to look for stories, how to tell stories, using their camera, you know, just, they're all excited about it. The intro kids are just not quite sure what they want to do, pretty much my challenge is going to be just to teach them how to look at the world through the lens of a camera.
I am Brandy New. I'm the Instructional Technology Coordinator in Hardin County Schools. A big part of my job is teaching the adults in Hardin County, just helping out the teachers and the administrators. We learn, you know, new things in technologies, trends, apps, anything Google. And also as a part of my job, I teach a class here at EC3 called Girls Who Code, and it's a girls-only programming class for high school girls. They get to come in and work at their own pace. I have first, second, and third year students working on at least 3 different programming languages to become MTA certified, Microsoft certified in those areas.
Hi, I'm Ed Reeser. I'm the lead teacher here at EC3. I am in charge of the health sciences program here. We have 5 other teachers here that teach in the health sciences program. The Hardin County School District decided to consolidate all of the health sciences programs that were in the high schools. They brought them to EC3 to better serve the students. We have a great number of programs here that students can participate in. We have what we call our prerequisite program, which is Principles of Health Science, Medical Terminology, and Emergency Procedures. Now, students must pass those with a B in order to be able to move on. We've got EKG technician, phlebotomy technician, what we call MNA, Medicaid nurse aide, and that can actually get you certifications and get you a job right out of high school. So, you know, we like, you know, helping students to get a foot, you know, into the work world, and we expect them to have a good work ethic whenever they reach the end of the program.
Hello, my name is Monica Hall, and I'm a new health science teacher here at EC3. I'm going to be teaching in the pre-nursing pathway. We'll be teaching the Medicaid nurse aide and medical math classes for T1 and T2, and then in T3 we'll be adding the advanced nursing class. I'm excited about the opportunity to teach at EC3 and looking forward to a great year.
My name's Tom Pitt. I'm the automotive instructor at Hardin County Schools Early College and Career Center. During our maintenance light repair class, we touch on several topics, including but not limited to electrical systems, engine performance, engine repair, automatic transmissions, manual transmissions, steering suspension, brakes, and climate control. Throughout that time, we talk about the way things work. We talk about theory inside the classroom, and then we go out into the shop and put that theory to work. We do vehicles that are brought in by students. We work on vehicles that are owned by the school. I bring my own personal things in. Teachers bring vehicles in. Community members, they bring vehicles in. And so we're able to have that live work aspect of our pathway. And that really helps to get students ready for what's next. And that's for doing maintenance and light repair on vehicles in independent shops and at dealerships.
My name is Christy Wright, and I'm the guidance counselor at EC3. And tonight we've had a very special event, our open house to kick off our school year. And we are very excited to welcome all of our students to EC3. We are looking forward to a wonderful school year in our pathways. The goal of open house is for students and parents to be able to meet and greet our staff and to take a self-guided tour of EC3. And our health science instructors have had a separate session to give some more guided information for their pathways. A wonderful thing about EC3 is that I am fortunate to be the guidance counselor here, and a neat aspect of that is our students have their guidance counselor at their home high school, and then when they attend EC3, I get to be their guidance counselor here. So in all reality, our students have a lot of assistance and from 2 adults in their lives through the guidance office. And all of our guidance offices, we all collaborate and work together to help our students with their college goals, their career goals, their military plans. And the big picture of all of it is we just want our students to leave here with their high school diploma. That's top priority. And right behind that is work ethic certification and a clear path as to what they're going to do after they graduate from high school.